Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Gina. And today I'm making for you a pie that I have never in my 56 years of life have ever heard of. I even asked my mom and she never heard of it either. It's called Kool-Aid pie. And I'm going to show you how we made it. In this recipe, you're going to need 1 graham cracker, store-bought, or you can make your own, it doesn't matter. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 8 ounces of Kool-Aid, and a pack of your favorite Kool-Aid. I was making this recipe with Jell-O, but it's Kool-Aid. Okay, I done have my condensed sweetened milk in the bowl. Now we add our packet of Kool-Aid, and you can do any flavor you want. It's totally up to you. And then you want to mix that together. I have not had Kool-Aid for years. I am a sweet tea drinker. Okay, we got that all stirred together. Now we need to add the 8 ounces of your Kool-Aid. And you want to gently fold this in till it's all one color. Okay, I think we got it mixed, so we need to take the lid off this. Stir together, so all you do is just put it in your pie pan. And it is going to be thick. And you want to put it in your refrigerator 2 to 4 hours, and then after that I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, here it is out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for actually more than 4 hours. It's set up pretty good. Let's cut it. Well, let's see how this turned out. I'm curious to see. That is really good. It's good, it's quick, it's easy. It's something that you can have your kids help you with. That is really good. This turned out pretty good. If you have any vintage ideal recipes, put them in the comments. I'm real curious to see what's out there that I've never heard of. And let me know what flavor you would make this pie if you were to make Kool-Aid pie. And as always, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.